Good afternoon. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the notification bell. And today we got ourselves a special video for you, and it's brought to you by Jowua. And this is their paint touch-up kit. And we're going to be doing a paint touch-up on our Tesla Model 3. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So, all right, let's get right to it. So 3 things you're definitely going to need for this paint touch-up kit is a cloth, some isopropyl to wipe down the area, definitely the paint touch-up, and inside here, when you open this up, it comes with a touch-up pen. So you're definitely going to need that. And after you've touched it up, here is a polish. So this is going to be more like a blend to make it unnoticeable. You're going to want to polish this. So let's continue on. So, all right, this is the car that we're going to be polishing up today. It's my Tesla Model 3 2020. And many of you may know that those of you that own a Tesla, the front of the vehicle is kind of a rock chip magnet. Right in the front of here, you can see many different rock chips, especially on the hood. That's why I highly recommend that you get PPF. But you know what? Here, look. There's a rock chip right there. There's another one right here. It's all over the bumper. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's a lot of rock chips on this vehicle. So let's do our little touch up. And there's even one right here. So the first thing we got to do is we basically got to make sure that we prep our vehicle. And that's why I strongly suggest that you get yourself a cloth right here and some isopropyl that I have here. Get yourself a cloth. And you're going to want to make sure that you wipe down the area. Let's see if, I don't know if you can see, there's a rock chip right here, right in the corner here. I can see, let me see if I can pick it up on the camera there. Yeah, see that mark right there? Right here in the corner here? That's an area that we're going to want to take a look at. So let's see if we can get that little rock chip out of here. Okay, so first thing you want to do is go down to this area right here, spray some isopropyl right here, and that's because you want to get any disinfectant on this vehicle. You want to wipe it right off. So now that we've done that, we can get into actually repairing this rock chip. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. Doesn't take much work. Here's the paint from Jowua right here. And let's open up, and hopefully this is a color match. Let's open up this little bottle right here. Okay. I'm gonna open it up. Make sure I give it a little bit of a shake. Anytime you're dealing with paint, you always want to shake it up. Shake it up a little bit. That's what, if in case it's been sitting down, it can make sure that it blends properly. All right, so it has a set of instructions that are written on their the Jowua pen. Okay, so first thing it says clean surface, second shake well. used brush, apply the paint, and close tightly after usage. So it's very simple instructions, very easy to use. I'm gonna sit the camera down so I can apply this this fix over here. So now, since the rock chip is located right here, all we're gonna do, open this up, we're gonna dab it a little bit, and then we're gonna fill the area. Okay, let's take a look. And I get this all dabbed up in here. You wanna make sure it has a lot of paint right here. And then we're gonna go directly to the area. Directly to the area that we're gonna be attacking today. And right here, we're gonna go right inside and we're gonna cover it all up. Actually, let's see, this might be a little bit better just to apply it like this. Oh yes, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Got some drip. Got some drip. And remember, it's paint. So if you drip the paint, you want to make sure that you immediately wipe it off before it gets a chance to dry. That's the really good thing about paint, is that doesn't dry all immediately. Hold on, let's spray right here because I've gotten a little bit of paint on the car. So I'm gonna use my isopropyl here just to remove any type of extra paint that I've gotten on this car. Okay. And that has worked beautifully. And now, let's actually use this little paint that I have here on my finger here. And let's dab it right into place. You want to make sure you get right in the middle. Of that mark. Let's see if it's a good color match. Seems to be, so far it seems like it is a really good color match. Just got to make sure that you get a good application and you apply it on properly. Gonna make sure I get a little bit more on here. Just to make sure that it's right in the spot. And there you have it. See, I've covered it up. You basically can't even see it anymore. Gonna give it a little bit time to dry. And then after you give it a little bit of time to dry, that's when you wanna go over with you might wanna put some more alcohol and rub it again. And then what you might wanna do is polish it. By polishing it, you're gonna give it that blend. But I'm not gonna do the polish in this video. I'm going to just take care of the little rock chips that I have on my hood, and then I think tomorrow I'm gonna do the polish, because you have to wait till the paint to dry in order to get a full result. I highly recommend this product from Jowua. You can go head off to their website and pick up this product today. It's not that much. Just make sure that when you pick up the product, you get the exact paint. They do offer all of Tesla's paint on their checkout. So all you have to do is select your car, the car color, and you should be able to find a paint that matches your vehicle. So I'm gonna work on the rest of the vehicle, and I'm going to put dabs of paint on the front of the vehicle. And then tomorrow I will be showing you the part of the video of where everything's been touched up, and you'll be able to notice. It doesn't take that long to dry. Within an hour or two, you should be able to either apply another coat, or you can just leave that first coat and go on to another rock chip, or just do all the coat on one, let it dry, wait 24 hours, and then polish the vehicle. So I'm gonna continue to work on this vehicle, and at the end, I will be showing you the result of how everything turned out. All right, so I managed to put paint all over the vehicle. And what I've done is I've covered up the whole vehicle and all the different little rock chips that I had seen on the vehicle. And what I've done for now is put a blob of paint. So I basically overpainted the area just so the paint can settle in the rock chips. And then after that, what I'm gonna do is, well, you have two options. You can either wipe off the area with isopropyl. You can use a very light, like say 3000 grit sandpaper, and sand down the area, because you don't want a blob of paint on your car. You can sand it down, and then after sanding down, you can buff the vehicle or polish the vehicle in order to get that perfect blend. But for the first application, you want to make sure that you cover the area and you get a lot of paint in there, so it goes into the rock chips. So I've basically covered all the rock chips, and you can't basically see any rock chips. And then I will continue on the next step. I'm going to give it some time for it to dry, and then I'm going to wipe the blob of paint off, and then either tomorrow I'll be applying another coat, or if it's good enough, I'll just polish the vehicle. All right, so here's the finished result. I know it's a little bit bright out, and so basically we touched up the paint on the hood, and this is the finished result. As you may see, the touch-up worked out pretty well. I no longer see those paint issues. So always remember that if you're gonna do a touch-up on your paint, after you've done that, you definitely want to put a polish coat on your vehicle just to polish it out. That way you can blend it and match it as good as possible. All right, so thank you for watching. I will be providing more videos for you. Take care and have a great day.